Hello everyone, welcome to this session on IR spectroscopy. In this session, we will discuss very interesting topic, that is instrumentation of dispersive IR spectrophotometer. So let us begin with the session. First of all, what is IR spectrophotometer? IR spectrophotometer is the instrument that records or determines IR spectrum, IR absorption spectrum of a given compound, and it provides spectra of the compound in the range of 4000 to 400 centimeter inverse or reciprocal of the centimeter. So that is IR spectrophotometer. Now instrumentation part of IR spectrophotometer. Any instrumentation part of IR spectrophotometer that contains various components. Now what are that components? So basically it contains IR radiation source, sample or reference cell, monochromator and detector. Other components are also there, but these are the basic components. IR radiation sources are the source of IR radiation. There are various type of radiation sources. In a detail, for all components we have a separate session. So in this session I am not going in much detail about the components, because here our point of discussion is how dispersive IR spectrophotometer works. Sample and reference cell to place a sample or reference compound, monochromator system is there, then detector to detect the IR radiation. Now basically IR spectrophotometers are of two types, dispersive IR spectrophotometers and FTIR spectrophotometer. Dispersive IR spectrophotometer again are of two types, single beam and double beam. FTIR spectrophotometers are Fourier transform infrared radiation spectrophotometer. For that again we have a separate session. So here point of discussion is dispersive IR spectrophotometer, and that is double beam. We are going to discuss double beam. Both of this type, dispersive and FTIR, both of them gives identical IR spectrum, but FTIR is rapid one and it's a newer one than the dispersive. So let us begin with the dispersive IR spectrophotometer. So first of all, I will show you which components are there, because it is schematic diagram of double beam IR spectrophotometer. I will show you which components are there. So let us discuss one by one. And what are these components, that also I am telling you. Radiation source, then mirrors are there, then reference cell, sample cell, beam chopper, motor, again mirrors, then slit, then gratings, then again slit, detector, amplifier and recorder. Now what is function of all these components? In brief, radiation source will give IR radiation, mirrors that will divide and direct the IR radiation. First of all, the IR radiation coming from a radiation source will be divided into two equal parts. Two beams of the IR radiation with the equal intensity. One will allow to pass through the reference cell, one will pass through the reference cell, and other one will pass through the sample cell. Beam chopper has the role, it's a rotating with the help of motor, and what role it has is it will allow to pass alternate beams, once from reference cell and others and next time from sample cell. So this process continues alternatively, one from reference beam and other from sample beam, and then again through the mirror it will be directed to the slit. From slit they will be passing and they will reflect on gratings Now gratings, they will disperse IR radiation, and in the range of 4000 to 400 centimeter, whatever amount is absorbed, that will be reaching to the detector, and then through the detector the signal will be amplified and it will be recorded in a recorder. So first beam will be from reference cell, and then other beam from the sample cell, and then detector will take a ratio from the radiation coming out after absorption, means transmitted radiation. So it will take a ratio from reference cell and sample cell, and then by compensating, by taking a ratio of both, it will produce IR spectrum in recorder. Now let us see how exactly this process happens schematically. So radiation coming from IR source, and then with the help of mirror it gets divided into two equal halves. Now one will pass from reference, other one will pass through the sample. Reference compounds are there, say for example it contains KBr palette. After passing through the sample and reference, alternatively, as I said, alternatively beam chopper will allow to pass it. Here you can see that the path of the radiation is blocked from the sample, so it is open for the reference cell. So now what happens, that radiation will pass through the mirror and then directed to the slit, then the gratings, and then it will disperse, and from 4000 to 400 centimeter inverse it will pass through the detector and then to the amplifier and then to the recorder. So this is one path. Now what happens, second time the beam will cut off the path of the reference cell, and then it will open the path from the sample cell. So now what happens is, from the sample cell it will pass to the mirror and then again directed to the gratings via slit and then disperse, and again with the second slit it will go to the detector. Now detector will compensate it or take a ratio from the reference and sample, and then signal will be amplified, and then IR spectrum is recorded. So this is how double beam IR spectrophotometer works. If you have any doubts, you can contact me